Hi, I am Chinmay and I study in class 7D. I study in Bhasan Shastri Nagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. Today I am here to do the certification for MS Word Advanced, and here I go. So here's my favorite chapter from my favorite subject, which is history. Chapter is the Ashoka, the emperor who gave up war. Topics to be covered are an empire, ruling the empire, Ashoka's war in Kalinga, Ashoka, a unique ruler, Ashoka's messages, an empire. Ashoka was one of the greatest rulers known to the history. He was an Indian emperor of the Maurya dynasty. The empire that Ashoka ruled was founded by his grandfather, Chandragupta Maurya, more than 2300 years ago. Chandragupta was supported by a wise man named Chanakya. Chandragupta's son Bindusara got the dynasty from his father, which was further inherited by Ashoka. A very big kingdom is known as an empire. Ruling the empire, Ashoka expanded Chandragupta's empire from present-day Afghanistan in the west to Bangladesh in the east. Here are some hyperlinks. And you can see here Chandragupta. Here is a smart art. First Chandragupta, then Bindusara, then Ashoka. So here is hyperlink of Bindusara. Ashoka's war in Kalinga. Kalinga is the ancient name of coastal Odisha. Ashoka fought a war to conquer Kalinga. However, he was so horrified when he saw the violence and bloodshed. Then he decided not to fight many wars, not to fight more wars. He is the only king in the history of the world who gave up the conquest of war after winning a war. Ashoka was a unique ruler. Ashoka was the most famous Mauryan ruler due to the following reasons. He was the first ruler who tried to take his message to the people through inscriptions. He observed Dhamma, which is a Prakrit word for Sanskrit term dharma. The lions that we see on our notes and coins have a long history. Ashoka's messages: be gentle with slaves, respect one's elders, treat all creatures with compassion, follow ahimsa as life is dear to all living organisms, understand and respect others' religion. And here's the table that at the time of Chandragupta was 321 to 297 BCE, Bindusara's 297 to 273 BCE, Ashoka's 278 to 232 BCE. So now I am going to tell you that how did I make my project. So add word art and images. I added word art. Here are topics to be covered by clicking on insert, word art, and I used this one. Then I went home and changed the text as Joker Man. Here I typed the text in Calibri body as the size 28. Then I changed it with the word art styles and used this one. Then I added a text box while clicking on insert text box, and I used here simple text box. Here I clicked on here. Then I changed its shape by clicking on it. Format. I used shape effects, bevel, and I used relaxed insert. Then as the same as I shown you here, yes, I added header by clicking on insert header, and in the header I used banded. Here I added pictures by taking them from on the by. I got these pictures from the internet. Then I added the wrap text, and then I wrapped them to add them to the header by clicking on wrap text. Tight here wrap text as through. Here I added hyperlinks by clicking on insert hyperlinks, and I selected Ashoka. I clicked on hyperlinks and copied the Wikipedia of 3 of them. Here I added smart art by clicking on insert smart art, and I taken it from here. Then I changed it in design, changed its colors and used this. I used in smart art styles, I used the sunset scene. And in word art styles, I changed all the text. I changed the text of everyone here. Then here, as the same, here it's taking a time. Yes. Here as the same I clicked on insert. Here the text box, I clicked on insert text box, and it's not coming now here. As the same I clicked on home, inserted text as Calibri and in 28, and here at word art styles I use this one. Then I added a shape here, and in the shape I left clicked on it and clicked on add text. I added bullets here by clicking on insert, by clicking on home, bullets. The table I got by clicking on insert table, and I used 2:3. And here I added the page border by clicking on design page borders, and I used this one and clicked on OK, and the size was 20 pt. Then I took the page background by clicking page background color by clicking on page color page color, fill effects, and I used preset as daybreak and clicked on OK. So let us see that I have done everything or not. I have used word art and images, quick styles, appropriate headers and footers. Yes, I forgot to tell you that here everywhere I use center alignment, and in the text box I use right alignment. As you can see here, I can change it. I use smart art graphics, tables, formatting. Yes, I forgot to tell you that I clicked on insert and I used basic formatting. And I added hyperlinks, smart art graphics, tables, page borders, page color and images. So that's all from my side. Chinmay signing off. Bye.